My name is Johannes Stroessner, and I'm responsible for training and maintenance at Rogers Germany. Rogers produces PCBs for power electronics. These PCBs are used wherever high currents are switched or transferred. For example, in the electric car industry. This is becoming an ever-increasing market for us. Here at our location, we're using a wide range of Metabo tools, from a simple cordless screwdriver to saber saws or rivet guns. I believe that Metabo tools are special since they have this systemized idea. We're using the 18-volt system here at our location and also the CAS system. We can choose the suitable tools for our maintenance activities.
My name is Søren Lichtenfeld, and I am responsible for the repair of power tools. This includes mainly angle grinders, saber saws, or also cordless screwdrivers. I think it's great that the guys from Rogers rely on our service and trust in our work. In order to live up to this, we give our best every day. As you know, a heart beats in every machine, a green heart, and we know this. This is why each individual tool gets our stamp. We want that our customers continue to be satisfied and keep on relying on Metabo.